Nobody cares about your excuses. I know that sounds harsh, but when I first realized it, I got angry. I thought, you don't know what I've been through. Maybe you're thinking the same thing about what I'm saying. Maybe you've been through divorce. Maybe you've lost everything. Maybe your health is really, really not good. Maybe somebody betrayed you. Maybe you grew up in a home that made life really hard, really hard. I've lived through a lot of that. So hear me carefully. I'm not saying your pain isn't real. Of course it is. I'm saying your excuses are not going to build the future that you want. For years, I blamed everything else except for the one person that I could change. I blamed my childhood, my marriage, my finances, the government, bad luck. Meanwhile, nothing was getting better. And then one day, I realized the world is not waiting on me to get healed before it gets better. The bills were coming. Sun was still coming up. Everybody going to work. And life kept moving. I had one choice. Keep telling myself why I couldn't, or start proving every day that I could. I didn't change my entire life in 5 minutes. I changed one habit. Started walking. One walk became another. Then I changed what I was eating. And then I stopped drinking. I showed up every single day. And those decisions changed my life. Here's what I've learned. Your past might explain where you are. It sure as hell doesn't get to decide where you're going. The most powerful words you're ever going to say are not why me, why now. As soon as you ask that question, you don't have any power. Stop waiting for Monday, New Year's, next month. Stop waiting for someone else to rescue you. You deserve better than a life controlled by yesterday. Own today, one decision at a time. One walk, one healthy meal, one hard phone call, a different job, one step. That's how you rebuild your life. Not with excuses, with action. The day you get up and start asking, what do I want to be next? Instead of why has all this happened to me? Your life is going to change. I'm an accountability coach and I help people start over. For $50 a week, one 30-minute phone call, we'll come up with a plan and I'll hold you accountable so you can start over. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.